storage ideas for garage organization. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. In this video we are dividing into the world of garage organization with a focus on wooden storage solutions. Say goodbye to collector and hello to well organized garage with these ingenious ideas designed to maximize space and efficiency. Whether you are dietitics or just looking for practical storage solutions, you shall find inspiration in this video. So like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members and enjoy the video. Wall-mounted wooden shelving. Maximize vertical space in your garage with a wall-mounted wooden shelves units. These versatile shelves are perfect for storing everything from tools and garden to sports equipment and paint cans. Customize the size and layout of fit your garage dimensions and keep clutter off the floor for a cleaner and safer workspace. So if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. There you have it, folks, or wooden storage ideas to revolutionize your garage is organization game. Whether you are a weekend warrior or dietitics, these space-saving solutions offer a practical ways to keep your garage tidy and functional. Say goodbye to collector and hello to well-organized works. These imagination ingenious wooden storage ideas. Don't forget like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.